Hello everyone. As you know, LinkedIn is a place specifically for someone looking for a job or looking to hire. So when you turn on open to work, many recruiters notice your profile and may even hire you. You can also enable the feature called open to work so more people can notice you. When you find a job, then you may want to turn off open to work on LinkedIn. If you do not use LinkedIn much, then this can also be a problem for you. So in this video, we'll show you how to turn off open to work on LinkedIn. You need to start off by opening LinkedIn application on your Android or iOS device. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Select View Profile and this will lead you to your profile page where you can make necessary changes. There you'll also see a section where your open to work option has been mentioned. Click on the pencil icon on the side and choose Delete from Profile. You'll see this option at the bottom of your screen. Confirm by selecting Delete and you'll receive a note telling you that your open to work has been turned off on LinkedIn. This way you can get rid of open to work feature on LinkedIn and turn it back on whenever you are looking for a job. I hope this was a helpful video.